Hey everybody, welcome back again. Another different one today. As you can see, got something a little special. It's a Meteormaster, and I've got my own logo on it. So I'm super stoked. I did a few things. I'm gonna check this out. I got a carbon fiber bezel I'm gonna put on it. Splash of red, splash of red. I've got this set of hands. It's kind of a spacey set of hands. Splash of red, splash of red. And I'm going to put it in this case. It is an case, both crown at 3. And I've already put the crystal in and chapter ring. Chapter ring is blue loom. The dial is blue loomed. Hands are green, but that's okay. It's how I want it. So, I've already cut our dial feet. Let's just get after it. Everything should be a lovely. I've cleaned up the dial a fair bit here for us. Let's see. Oh, see? Now, I touched it by putting my fingers on it, going like this. And yeah, even just finger residue, because I've been wearing these for a bit now, doing a bunch of stuff, so I will wind up cleaning it all again. Just the way it is. Just the way it is. Ooh, I also got, check this out. I got a couple interesting bezels. I'm not sure which one I'm going to go with. Look at these guys. Super aggressive. I like that turbine looking one. I also like that one. So yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. We will see as we go along. I am just super stoked. I've got my own logo on something. On one of my builds. I'm happy about that. So let's build. It's what we's here to do. There. Now I figured I just wanted to make something for myself. I know that's very, very, you know, very selfish of me and all. But, like I say, I've been squirreling away some parts that I've liked, that I've put away, that I wanted to make for a watch for myself. And I've made a couple for myself, mind you. But I usually make watches for myself out of messed up parts. You know, if I get a dial that's a little bit screwy or something like that, well, maybe that's one I'll make for myself. I won't sell those. So, up until now, that's what I've done. This time, however, I wanted to actually have a nice one for myself. And I think that's reasonable, right? I think so. I mean, I love to make watches for other people, though. Don't get me wrong, that's my jam. It's my thing. But I love watches too. So, and you know, I figure it's pretty good advertising. You know, wear a watch that you made. Wear a watch that you've made yourself. Looking good. Hope everybody likes my logo. I was actually pretty surprised, pretty impressed. They got a lot of detail in there. I figured it. I did not think it would look quite so detailed. That I will say for show. Faux show. I just gotta take a quick look, make sure we're clearing on that noon o'clock indice. Ah, yeah, we good, we good. Wow, gonna have to clean those hands up too. That looks terrible. That's okay. That's why we clean them up. Let's get this guy installed. I know. I've done a lot of different builds lately. I know I did a bunch of relax builds. They're fun. They are at the very least amusing. In fact, I'm wearing my latest one. Show you in a momento. Uno momento. See how we do. See how we do. Looking good. Looking good. Let's have a closer look. Oh yeah. Looking perfect. In fact, I just want to come down just a smidge more. Smidge more. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Now we're where we want to be. But of course, I went too far forward. There. 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 That's even better. That's even better. Cool. I like it. Oh, okay. Actually, before I get that second hand on there, because it is just so much easier to do when that's not on there, I'm quickly going to clean up my mess, clean up the indices, and then we'll get the second hand on here. Let's give it a spin, see where we're at. First of all, actually, I think that's a really good hand choice. I like that. I think it looks good on there. Oh, 5 minutes. Well, that's not so bad. I can live with that. Alright, you guys, I will be right back. Gonna clean this up, then we'll put a second hand on there and carry on. Be right back. Alright, you guys, well, I was cleaning it up and got carried away and put the second hand on for us. So, that's already done. Not a big deal. You guys know how to do that stuff. If you don't, hey, there's lots of other videos I got. You can go watch those and you will see. If I put everything into every video, man, every video of mine would be 3 hours long. Because there's so much that's involved that you guys just don't see, that I don't add, because it's just so much fluff, you know. Some days you'll have a great build and everything works perfectly, and some days, man, the tiniest little thing drives you absolutely batty. But hey, that's life, right? C'est la vie. That's everything in life. Not every day is going to work out the way you planned it. So, that's how you deal with it. Now, let's get this crown out of there first. Now, I'm really hoping that chapter ring lines up nicely. I know I didn't need it, but because there's markers on this dial. I know that. That's not saying right. But I wanted it extra loomy. It's my watch. So I do whatever I want. It's my watch. What in the Sam Hill? Yeah, see, like I say, some days just everything just falls together like it was meant to be, like you planned it all. like you should anyway. But you know, and then some days, holy cripes, just man, you'd swear none of these parts were even made to fit together. But 'tis what it is. Like I said, I'm really hoping I can get that chapter ring to line up. Yeah, that's kind of what I expected. Son of a so-and-so. I really highly doubt it. I might have to pull it all apart and get it. Or, yep, that's what's happening. I'm going to pull it all apart, get this chapter ring properly lined up, and get it in there. Then we'll carry on and size our crown, size our stem for the crown. All right. Once again, we'll be right back. All right. Well, I've come down to it is what it is. Either the markers on the dial or the markers on the chapter ring are a tiny bit out, and there's just nothing I can do about it, because that's pretty bang on for noon. But if you look at 6, it's just a tiny bit out. But if you look at 9, it's pretty bang on. But if you look at 3, it's a tiny bit out. So I'm going to blame it on the chapter ring and or dial and move the hell on. It's my watch. I'm not going to gripe about it that much. So let's move on and put our stem in. Let's cut our stem. Let's get her done, son. I'm done with this today. I need to go have some supper. I'm hungry. That's probably half my issue, you know. Getting to that hangry point where it's, you know, nothing's working, nothing's fitting. Yeah, you should have stopped a half hour ago, but it's fine. We will manage. I don't know. I haven't made one of these cases yet, have I? I don't believe. I'm not sure. I'm not even sure right now. Brain is empty of food, so. But what I was trying to get at was I'm not sure where to cut our stem for this guy. I don't want to cut it short. Oh, don't tell me. Oh, wow. Ha! Holy crow. Yeah, we're way long. Way long, way long. Hey, everybody. Okay, home stretch time. Let's get a click spring on this bad boy and get a bezel inserted. Now, I think I've decided on this turbine looking one versus this guy. I'll save this one for another build. Who knows? But I like this one. I think that's going to look the sharpest. So that's where we're going. So let's get this click spring on here. Wow, I'm just blind. It's upside down. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Grab our tool. Never had one of these bezels from this place before. It's a place on AliExpress, actually. I was just kind of curious to see if their bezels were any good. It's okay for the now. I don't know. I might change that, actually. For now, I'm not going to worry about it. I like it. Let's just get this bezel insert on so we can get this guy done. Yeah, it's got a little bit of play in it. I'm not happy with that, but Oh, not the best. Probably not the worst either. So I think I will wind up changing it, but for the now, I am okay with it. See how I like the watch first. Oh, shiza, that looks sharp. That carbon fiber and that meteorite. Yeah, it's not as smooth as the normal bezels I use. So it might not be staying, but that's okay. I think it looks dang good. Alright. Home stretch peoples. Let's get this on a strap. On a bracelet. Whatever. I'm definitely at the whatever stage now. I'm hungry. Even though I'm excited to see this thing, what it looks like. I'm excited to see it finished. Excited for it to be done. And I'm actually putting it on a brand new bracelet for myself because what I normally do is I just build, the head of a watch and I just interchange my bracelets. But I figured for this one, tiniest bit special, just for yours truly. Yeah, I think I gotta get rid of that bezel. I don't like that at all, but that's okay. I love that. I think that looks awesome. And I hope you guys, please you guys, tell me what you think of my logo. Like, I'll try and get right out. See, what do you think? It's an owl, of course. It's like, but tell me what you guys think of that. I really appreciate you guys' feedback. But before we call it a day here, let's give you guys a Loom shot. Let's turn some lights off. Ooh, it's going to be dark in here today. Yeah, wish it was Loom on the bezel insert, but that's okay. I think this is going to look pretty dang good anyhow. Ooh, it's dark in here. There you go, folks. That looks pretty sharp. I like that. Awesome. Well, thanks everybody. Thanks for joining me once again. Appreciate it. I know this one was for me. I know it's pretty selfish, but hey, Merry Christmas to me. We all need something for ourselves once in a while, right? So, everybody, cheers. I love y'all. Thanks again for everybody's support. Please come back. See you again soon. Thanks, everybody. Cheers. Don't forget to like and subscribe.